Hello students. So let's get started a new chapter from physics, chapter 12, sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which produces a sensation of hearing in your ears. As you know, ear is our sense organ. In everyday life, you hear sound from many sources like humans, birds, bells, machines, vehicles, television. When you talk, your vocal cord create a sound. That is due to the vibration. Sound is produced due to the vibration. Now what is vibration? Vibration is a periodic back and forth motion, means forward and backward motions of particles of an medium. Medium can be water, means liquid, solid or gas. Mainly the medium of sound is air. Like when you stretch a string of guitar, it vibrates to produce sound. The string will vibrate in the backward and forward motion. Now, how the vibration or the sound waves propagate? Propagation of sound. What is the propagation of sound? Propagation means the traveling of sound. Now, how the sound will travel? When an object vibrates, particles present around the medium vibrate. Means the particles which are in their equilibrium position, in a fixed position, will be displaced. That means the particle will get disturbed and it will disturb the other particle. Means the particles which are present in air on vibration, the first particle will hit the second particle and the second particle will hit the third particle. When the first particle hit the second particle, after hitting the second particle, the first particle will come again to the same position. It will not go forward and forward. After hitting the second particle, it will come to the same position. Now, what is medium from where the sound will travel? The matter or a substance through which sound is transmitted to the listener is the medium. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Why sound cannot be traveled in vacuum? Because there are no particles, means there is no medium to transmit the sound. Wave that requires to propagate is called mechanical wave. Mechanical wave needed to propagate the particles or sound. Now what is sound wave? Sound waves are characterized by the motion of particles, means the movement of particles in the medium, and that is called a mechanical wave.